In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a shared Google Calendar with others. Whether it's for a work project, family events, or coordinating with friends, having a shared calendar can keep everyone on the same page. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to the Google Calendar website. You can easily find this by searching for Google Calendar on your preferred search engine. Click on the first result and that will direct you to the proper page. If you're not already signed into your Google account, you'll be prompted to do so now. Enter your email address and hit Next. Then follow up by entering your password and clicking Next again. Once you're logged in, you'll be on the main Google Calendar page. Now take a look at the left side of your screen. You'll see a plus sign beside Other Calendars. Click on this plus symbol, which will reveal a drop-down menu. From here, you'll want to select the option Create New Calendar. A new screen will appear, inviting you to fill in the details for your new calendar. Enter the name that you want to give to this shared calendar and make sure it's something everyone involved will recognize. After naming your calendar, you need to ensure it's created properly. So click on Create Calendar found at the bottom of the page. You'll see a confirmation message and/or your newly created calendar will appear on the left side under My Calendars. To make your calendar collaborative, head over to the left upper corner and click on the arrow to go back to the main calendar screen. Locate your newly created shared calendar on the left section. You'll see 3 vertical dots beside its name. Click on these and then choose Settings and Sharing from the drop-down options. Now it's time to add people who can view or manage this calendar. Scroll down to find the option Share with Specific People. Click on Add People and Groups. In the text box that appears, enter the emails of those you wish to add. This will notify them that they now have access to your shared calendar. Additionally, you get to decide what kind of access each person has. Click on Permissions next to each email address and choose a permission level. You can allow them to see only free or busy times, make changes to events, or manage their sharing capabilities. Adjust these settings according to the roles you want them to play. Finally, once you've added everyone and set permissions, hit Send to notify them. They'll receive an email invitation and, once accepted, can start viewing or editing your shared Google Calendar. And there you have it. You've successfully created and shared a Google Calendar. This tool can help streamline communication and scheduling, making collaboration easier and more efficient. Thanks for watching and happy scheduling!